That's your hand. That's your hand. Hi, Rose. Hi, baby girl. You're my baby. Are you guys 3 months old? Are you 3 months old? Yes, you are. You're so big. What you say? What you say? What you say? You say you're a monkey? You say you're a monkey man? Yeah. You say you're a monkey man? This is what you say? Is that what you say? You say you're monkeys? Are you a monkey? Are you a monkey, Rose? Are you a monkey? What do you say, David? You see your hand? This your hand. What do you say?